let's see how to start a blog using Wix templates. So first, we need to create a new site. Then we set up without chat. Then let's type blog. Then continue. Now you can name your website. Let's just name this as Pixie Blog. Continue. Then what are your goals for this site? You can choose, but for now, I'm just going to skip it. Then the apps I'd like to add, maybe just blog, because I'll focus more on this in this video. Continue. Then continue to dashboard. Then let's go directly to the site, design site. And then let's choose, of course, a template. Customize a template. Let's pick this one. Now you can see many templates here. And you can choose actually many templates. You can also view the site to check if it's a good site for you. Then if it's the perfect one, then we click the edit this site. You can now start and rename your site. Let's rename the site here. It's Pixie Blog. Okay. Now you can actually edit something here. You can go to quick edit and then you can edit the section background. You can change it, the column background, another column backgrounds, and all of these. If you want to change them, everything you put here is just available here in the Elements button. The text, the image, the button, the strips, what you want for your blog page. Now, to write your blog, all you have to do is go to this page button right here. Here in the site pages or the blog pages, here's my blog. You have to click it. And when we click that, you'll go to your blog page. Here is a sample of where your blog is posted. So let's just click this and manage post. To create post, we need to click this create post. So let's just have a sample blog. Oh, this is just a sample blog. So after you're done, you can check these you can actually add images, gallery, elements like a divider, like this. It's all in here. A button, a table, HTML code, and AI tools are also available if you want AI to help you with your blog. And in the settings, you can add image, featured image related to your blog. Let's say travel. Now we choose. Okay, this one. Let's add this to page. Now you can also put your brief summary or teaser about your post here. So let's just have this sample. Okay, now in this one, related post, if you have other posts that are related to this, you can post it here. Then click feature the post. You can feature this post or allow commenting or not. You decide. This one here is also SEO settings. There's when you monetize, you can earn money from your blog. You can translate your blog and more apps. So if you're done with your blog, just click publish. There, have it. Let's try to put another blog. Now, if we're done with our blogs, we can now go to our posts in the blogs page. Let's exit the dashboard and we'll see here. This is our feed now, but we can always change or customize the feed. Have settings, display, we can display the writer's name, publish date, reading time, you can view counter or the likes, we can have that. We can have layout. We can change the layout if you want to change. You can choose your layout, whatever you like. Now we can customize the design here, navigation, what you like for it to be clicked. You can also customize the post. Text color on hover, overlay color. There's a category feed. And this category feed is, you can actually add categories if you have many related blog posts. So the design, have the buttons, color, ratings, the video settings, I'll have support, and then we'll go to the page. When we click page, so this, the post page. Here, we'll see the ones we post. And now, you can edit your about. Now, in this page, you have to write something about the website or the author. Then another page is in the search results. In here, you can see in the search results, you can search for the blog, your blog. And now, if you're done with your blog, you can now publish it to see the results. So view site. This is now your homepage. Then your blog is here. You can click it and see how it goes. Is your post actually. Other ones. This is your about page right here. You can edit this and then contact is here. So I think that's it. Now you have a blog page. And that's how to start a blog using Wix template. See you soon!